Hello traders. In this video I'll go over how to apply technical indicators on a DX chart. So here's one chart. We're looking at the 5-minute chart here. So all you have to do is go to indicators option over here, click on it. So you can apply multiple indicators. Maximum we have the option to apply 5 indicators. So for example, you can double click on Bollinger Band. You can change the settings however you like it. Just for testing, I changed to 14 CCI 100. You can change the parameter, you can change the color. I can change the color here. Okay, scroll down, or you also have the option you can simply search for the indicator that you're looking for. I was looking for RSI, so RSI is not like you can't find it like RSI just by typing RSI. You have to type the fully name like relative strength index, or you can just do the startup and you'll be able to see it. Relative strength index, and I can change the parameter here, 21. I can change the thickness, and if I just want a different value I can do that. I can do 80 20, click on done, and here you go. So now you can see all the indicators that are on our chart. So we also have the option, so you can add like additional indicator. We still have like 2 more indicators. If you are you are like a trader like me, like who sometimes like rely more on moving averages and multiple moving averages, then there's an issue due to the limitation. We can't have like other indicators plus moving averages. So the solution I have is like, what I was doing is like, you can again like I normally use like multiple screens, so I just detach this chart to my other monitor and just create like a click on chart to get another chart over here. So in this way, like I can split indicators. I can have moving averages on the other window for whatever instrument you are trading, and the other indicators over here. So in this way you still have like 10 indicators or more. Definitely I don't think nobody's using like 10 indicators to do the trading. So anyways, so this is just wanted to share like the limitation that we have and how we can overcome. While we're on this screen, so I already talked about it last time. So if you just want for the analysis, if you just want to hide these indicators, all you have to do is just click here, click on remove indicators. Oh, sorry, my bad. Remove, instead of remove, just hide indicators. That's the goal. Hide indicators. Okay, and after whatever you want to do, let's say now we'll go over different drawing tools that are available on this platform. If you like the content, please take a moment and click on like and subscribe for future videos. I'll appreciate it. So we look at like for like a draw support and resistance, you have the price line option. Click on it. So wherever you want to draw, just click on it. And if you want to change the color thickness, then just click on it again, click on change color, change the thickness like this. Again, if you want to go back, draw another area of support and resistance, you can do that here, and we can again click on it and change the thickness and color like this. The other tool we can use is like, these are the tools that we use on like a daily basis. Trend line, simply like if you want to just draw a trend line, just click on first point and just drag it over to the next area. And if you just want to delete it, click on it. So now you have the option, either click on this icon to delete it, or even if you can just hit the delete button on your keyboard and it will delete it. Okay, and going back to drawing tools, rectangle. So instead of like drawing like a support and resistance lines, we can draw a zone here. So all I have to do is just select and then just drag. So in this way I can set up the zone according to my liking, and here you go. Again, we have the option to change the color. Just select, pick any other color, and that's my zone. Same thing I can do on the top. Like this. If I want to delete it, same process. Select, delete, select, delete. Going back. Up arrow, it's simple. It's just an arrow. If you can draw your zone and you just do the planning and you just wait for the price to come back to your zone, just you can draw an arrow. Same thing, delete it, going back. Last, the other one is like a Fibonacci retracement. That's a commonly used tool. So I'll click on Fibonacci retracement, click on one point, and then just move your mouse to the other area and just click. So now you can see like a Fibonacci retracement. These are all the retracement level. So there is an option, like if you are one of those traders who just want to use a limited number of retracement, let's say 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, so we can change it. All you have to do is just click on it, go to settings, and we can uncheck these areas. So we can leave these and these, and if you don't need extensions, we can uncheck those. And we also have the option here as well, change the defaults. So next time whenever you are drawing using Fibonacci retracement tool, so whenever you will draw, you will only see these levels, so you don't have to repeat the same process. So it will save it as your default. Click OK. So now you only see the retracement level that you want to see. If you want to delete it, same thing, just we already selected it, so we can click and delete, and it's gone. And the last one over here is text note. So if you just want to add some text, so you can just simply just type it in here, and sorry about that, whatever you're doing, enter. And if you just want to finish it, you just have to do Control Enter, and it will be there. If you want to delete it, simply select it, delete it. And that concludes our video for today, like how to use those drawing tools and indicators on the charts. Please again hit like and subscribe. If you want to see anything else, please write into the comments. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you.